I'm Jenna, I'm from the UK, and I'm doing the 200-hour Hatha course. The most challenging aspect is probably confidence and feeling like you can translate your love of yoga into sharing it with other people. But the practice here is to keep building your confidence, and you meet so many amazing people that you feel really safe to try things and build your confidence so that when you leave, it feels more possible. The people, the environment, the teachers, just getting to be immersed in yoga solidly for 3 weeks. We have a nice small class in Hatha, and we've really got to connect with each other and just sharing our lives with each other really, and our stories, and in such a short amount of time, forming really close friendships and bonds and feeling kind of safe with each other. It's made me understand so much outside of kind of when you go to a yoga class at home and it's after work and you just go through the postures and you go home and you don't think about it. There's so much more going on outside of the physical body. It's all about the mind and kind of preparing the mind for meditation. And there's so much philosophy to learn and understand, and it just deepens my appreciation for yoga and what it offers to my life. It's been really lovely to have such contrast between kind of the Western style of teaching and then the really traditional Indian style of teaching. And that's really lovely because you can kind of take things from both sides and understand what it is that you like and don't like, and feel kind of a more comprehensive understanding. And between all of that, they're all so lovely and friendly. So it's a really nice kind of transition between classes and between the teachers. It's the perfect place to come and deepen your understanding of yoga. It's such a beautiful country with such rich culture and so many things to explore and discover. It's so beautiful. It's the place where yoga comes from. So it makes sense to deepen your understanding here.